Hyderabad, February 12. A policeman was killed when a gun went off accidentally in Telangana's Bhadradri Kothagudem district on Saturday, police said. The incident occurred when Santosh was engaged in a post-protection weapon drill at a police station in the early hours of the day. A police officer said that he died on the spot due to the gunshot injury in the head. The incident took place in Kachanapalle police station in Yellandu Mandal. Santosh was examining weapons after the night duty when the misfire happened. The body was shifted to the government hospital at Yellandu for autopsy. Police registered a case and took up further investigation. Hailing from Warangal district, Santosh's death came as a big shock for the family as they had recently finalized a matrimonial alliance and he was to marry soon. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to channel and click on bell for more daily videos.